If you fell into a black hole right now, you wouldn't die instantly. In fact, what happens to your body, your mind, and even time itself is something so bizarre, so impossible to imagine, that scientists are still trying to figure it out. Today, we're going to follow you step by step, all the way to the most mysterious place in the universe. And trust me, you won't want to miss what happens at the end. But first, let's understand what we're actually dealing with. A black hole isn't a hole at all. It's an object, an incredibly massive object, so massive that its gravity is literally inescapable. Imagine the sun. Our sun is already enormous. It could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. Now imagine that entire sun crushed down into something smaller than a city. Pause. That's a black hole. The gravity becomes so extreme that not even light can escape. And that's exactly why we can't see them directly. They are truly invisible. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you got too close to one? Let's say you're an astronaut. You're floating in deep space, completely alone. And somewhere ahead of you, there's a black hole. At first, you feel nothing unusual. The pull is gentle, almost like floating in a current. But the closer you get, the stronger that pull becomes. And here's the terrifying part. You can't see it. You have no idea how close you are. There are no warning signs, no flashing lights, no alarm, until it's already too late to turn back. You've crossed a threshold, a point scientists call the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once you cross it, escape is mathematically impossible. Not just physically hard, impossible. Even if you had a rocket engine more powerful than anything ever built, it wouldn't matter. But here's something that blows my mind every time I think about it. When you cross the event horizon, you might not even feel it. No wall, no barrier, no sensation. You just cross it. And from that moment on, where every path forward leads to only one place. Meanwhile, back on Earth, your friends are watching something very strange. To them, you appear to slow down. Your movements become more and more delayed. And eventually, you appear to freeze completely. Suspended in time, forever. Like a fly trapped in amber. But from your perspective, time feels completely normal. You're still moving, still breathing, still thinking. Two completely different realities at the same time. Welcome to the laws of relativity. But as you fall deeper, something begins to happen to your body. Remember how gravity pulls everything toward the center. Now imagine that gravity is pulling your feet much stronger than your head. That difference in force is called tidal force. And inside a black hole, it becomes enormous. Your body starts to stretch, slowly at first, then faster, then violently. Your feet accelerate faster than your head. Your atoms are being pulled apart. You are being stretched like a piece of cosmic spaghetti. Scientists actually named this process spaghettification. Yes, that's the real scientific term. And as dramatic as it sounds, it might actually be one of the gentler ways to go. Because what comes next is something no human has ever experienced, and no physics equation can fully describe. At the very center of a black hole, there is something called the singularity, a point of infinite density, infinite gravity, zero volume. At the singularity, our physics breaks down completely. The equations we use to describe the universe stop working. It's not that we don't know what happens there. It's that our language, math, can no longer describe it. Some scientists believe that at the singularity, space and time cease to exist as we know them. Others think that something completely new emerges, a new kind of physics, a new kind of reality. And here's the most honest thing any scientist can tell you. We have absolutely no idea what's there. The singularity is the ultimate unknown. But what if falling into a black hole isn't the end? Some of the world's greatest physicists have a theory. They call it the firewall paradox. The idea is this: when you reach the event horizon, instead of passing through smoothly, you might hit a wall of incredibly high energy radiation. Instant destruction. In a fraction of a second. Others believe in something even more fascinating, that black holes could be bridges, tunnels through space-time called wormholes, leading to somewhere else entirely. Another universe, a different point in time, or maybe a place we can't even imagine yet. And then there's the holographic principle. This is where things get truly mind-bending. Some physicists believe that everything that falls into a black hole is not destroyed, but instead encoded, like data, written onto the surface of the event horizon. In other words, you might not disappear, you might become information. Black holes are not just objects in space, they are the places where our understanding of reality completely falls apart, where time bends, where space breaks, where the laws we thought were absolute turn out to be just approximations. And the most incredible thing, there is a black hole at the center of our own galaxy, right now. As you watch this, it has been there for billions of years. We're not falling into it, but it's there, waiting. If you found this video mind-blowing, make sure you subscribe, because next week we're going to explore something even more terrifying. What if the universe itself is inside a black hole right now? See you there.